Hey everyone, today we're going to do a 5-minute tenon. I've got it laid out, scribed, and ready to go. So here we go. Okay, well, there you go. There is the 5-minute tenon. As you can see, a tenon is a fairly simple joint, and when you're working in a shop like we are, it's good to be efficient and get these things done because we typically got to cut quite a few of them. And basically make sure your tools are sharp, and it can be a pretty slick, quick joint. These are the tools that you need to do it. You're going to need a square, knife for scoring, chisel, square, sliding T-bevel square, mallet. I use a 16-inch Makita saw to do the one end cut, and then you can pretty much do everything else with the 8 1/4 skill saw. I use an 8 1/4 Makita. It's an 8x8 And out of it, we have a 2-inch thick by 4-inch tenon, and which is pretty common size, pretty common tenon. So, and this is Douglas for a piece of wood that we just cut this on. So, thanks very much. Have a good one. We'll talk to you later.